In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Over here. When you're ready, tap on Lock Screen and select one of those login methods: PIN, password, or pattern. Now you need to create it. Enter it over here, and if you made a mistake, hit retry at the bottom left corner and enter it correctly. When ready, hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now it's time to manage your lock screen notifications over here. You can also turn them off completely by using this switcher at the top. You can turn them back on by hitting the same, now grey one. When you finished, hit done at the bottom. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.